Welcome everyone to the last part of our Elven Rings of Power series. Today we'll share with you how we made Galadriel's ring called Nenya. So sit back and I hope you will enjoy the process. By making this ring, we finished our 3-part series. You can check at the end of this video Gandalf's and Elrond's ring. We have a couple of ideas for our next projects, but we would love to hear if you want to see something be made. It can be from Lord of the Rings movies or Hobbit or any other movies or books that you enjoy. So leave us your suggestions in the comments below, and if you're enjoying the video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you like how the ring turned out. There isn't a scene in a movie where you can see close up the ring, so we added on the side of the ring the leaves in a matte finish. We also rhodium plated the ring because silver tends to tarnish and oxidize a little bit over time, so like this is gonna always look the same. If you still didn't, check out also other 2 rings we made, and take care friends till our next project.